Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some of the products which I have ordered from Clubfactory, and those are mainly the jewelries which I have ordered, and I have some earrings to show you, some necklaces and some bracelets. So let me start with the earrings first. So this is the first one, and all the products whichever I am showing are within 300 rupees, including the bracelet and the necklace. So this is how it looks when you wear it. This is a very sleek and simple kind of earring which you can use regularly in office wear and college wear purpose. This is the second one, and as you can see it is very long and it will look very good with the traditional wear. This has a wooden kind of effect to it, and it is quite a bit long and will look very good with saris and salwars. This is the next one. As you can see, it is having some hanging pearls and a very small kind of earring, but yet it is having a very classy look which you can obviously wear with regular wear and with salwars and kurtis. Now this has to be one of my favorite, and as you can see this is a very unique kind of design with the color. It is very unusual color, yet you can wear and you can pair up with different kind of kurtis and ethnic wear. It came with two hoops. As you can see, one is blue and one is with pearl finish, so that is a good thing also, that sometime if you want you can wear with this blue hoop, and if you want to wear it you can also wear it with the white hoop. And how about this one, guys? I also like this very much. It is very lightweight, but when you see you will feel that it might be heavy or anything like that. Nothing of that sort. It is very good quality and not heavy at all when you wear it, yet it is too trendy. One more, and it's a gorgeous one. The stone is very attractive, and when it reflects multiple color get showed, and I really like this, and you can use it regular wear also. The finishing is very nice, and it is very good quality. Black stones are so rare, isn't it? But if you get one, why can't you buy it? As you can see, it is very trendy. You can wear it with jeans. You can also pair it with kurtis and it will look just fabulous. Long chain with red beads. It is very simple, yet it is very gorgeous. You can wear it with kurtis and you will rock. This is also one of my favorite, guys. You can see this is having a very oxidized kind of look with some matte stones into it. I love it very much and it looks amazing. I got so many compliments when I wore this. This is a very simple earring. The days when you don't want any jhumkas or anything extra and just want to put some earring with a color match, you can go for it. The quality is very nice. How about this, guys? This is so simple yet so attractive and pretty. I regularly wear it when I am not in a mood to wear jhumkas and all. This is very much off for the regular college and office wear. These are to die for. I just love them. You can wear it with jeans and also with ethnic wear. It will just look amazing. This is the only earring for which I got a bit disappointed because the quality doesn't seem to be very good and the finishing also is not up to the mark. but it's not like that you can't wear it. But yes, if you compare it with other Club Factory earrings or products which I have showed you till now, it is a bit lacking behind. Guys, look at this one. Isn't it so classy and yet slick and beautiful? I just love this and I got so many compliments. This is the bracelet which I have ordered, and this is very classy and the quality is also very nice. The only thing is this is a bit lengthy and a bit long, but I need to adjust it. You can adjust it. It has a adjusting hook also here, so you can adjust it and you can make it work. But nonetheless, this is something which is so unique. This is one more bracelet, and this is just so simple, yet it will give you a different look when you wear it. It has a small hanging point out here which gives a correct definition to it, and the quality no doubt is up to the mark. This is a choker which nowadays are in very trends, where girls are wearing it on top of jeans as well as on top of kurtis. So I thought of ordering it, and yeah, I think it looks very good, though it's quite a bit common nowadays, but how it matters when you like it. It's a multi-purpose necklace, or you can say it's a choker. You can wear it on your neck and it will somehow look like this, and also you can use it as a bracelet like this. This is one more neck piece. It is very simple, yet you can wear it with your western wear, and just to give it a nice touch of fashion, you can just wear it. I wore it one time, and thus I can see that the color is already faded kind of, but yet I can still use it for some more months, and let's see the quality. No doubt it's good, and 100 rupees you are getting it, so worth. Last but not the least, one more neck piece, and this will look fabulous with kurtis and ethnic wear as well as saris. Just pair it up with a matching earring and you'll be good to go.